Today we're looking at Downloader by AFTV News, a simple yet powerful app for Android and Android TV that helps you download files directly from the internet onto your device. Downloader is different from typical download tools because it includes its own built-in web browser that lets you navigate to websites, enter URLs or shortcodes, and initiate downloads without switching between apps. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for beginners and advanced users alike to get what they need without confusion. Once you open the app, you can type any valid URL where the file you want is located and start the download with a single tap. This is especially useful for downloading APK files, videos, documents, and other media directly to your phone, tablet, or TV. Downloader also lets you save your favorite URLs so you can quickly return to regularly used download sources without typing them over and over again. The app works on phones, tablets, Android TV, and even Google TV, making it versatile across devices. Another great feature is the basic file manager built into Downloader. After files are downloaded, you don't have to search through your storage to find them. The file manager shows all downloaded content so you can open it, install it if it's an APK, delete it, or move it as needed. This all-in-one experience turns a simple downloader into a complete tool for managing downloaded files without needing extra apps. Downloader supports common internet protocols and handles downloads efficiently, even on slower connections. The ability to pause and resume downloads keeps you in control, especially when downloading larger files or when network conditions change. Frequency of updates and ongoing support from the developer ensure the app stays compatible with new Android versions and devices. The app is free to install and use with ads and offers a reliable alternative for people who need more control over how they download content from the web. Whether you want to sideload apps that aren't available in official stores, manage media files directly on your device, or simply have a dedicated tool for web downloads, Downloader delivers a practical and user-friendly solution. If you often find yourself downloading files from various websites and want a faster, easier way to do it directly on your Android device, then the Downloader by AFTV News could be exactly what you need. Try it out and see how it streamlines your downloading process.